everyone, this is Shanna from Seahawk, and today we will be talking about why you should hire a GoDaddy Pro for all of your WordPress needs. Stay tuned. So with the rise of Instagram influencers, budding entrepreneurs, and business coaches everywhere, we constantly hear things like, you can do anything you want to do and you can learn anything you want to learn. With the internet, this is pretty true. But with every new skill comes one thing, and that is the learning curve. So while we at Seahawk definitely believe that you have the power within you to learn anything you want to learn, we also know there are benefits to hiring somebody if you need help. So without further ado, here are a few tips as to why you should hire a GoDaddy Pro for all of your WordPress needs. So the first benefit to hiring a GoDaddy Pro is credibility. You don't need to worry about their background or their professionalism or the quality of their work because they have already been vetted by GoDaddy. So not only is this league of GoDaddy Pros deemed trustworthy, they have extensive knowledge on the GoDaddy ecosystem, meaning you will get a better overall quality product because they have so much knowledge on anything else you can ask for. The second benefit is security. With GoDaddy's high-end security features, your GoDaddy Pro can log into your account once and have access to your products without compromising your security. Now, this may sound risky, but for people who aren't exactly technically savvy, this is a really big plus. You don't need to shift through all of your passwords trying to figure out what it was you created back in 2014 or whenever it was. And you can just send off what you need to your GoDaddy Pro. They have access to your accounts and they can purchase whatever you need. So this is probably one of the best benefits you can get while hiring a GoDaddy Pro for your WordPress needs. You have front of the line support. So yes, there are websites that have chat systems or support services that you can call, but actually waiting and talking to somebody or getting on chat and talking to somebody there can take a really long time. But when you hire a GoDaddy Pro, you're able to talk to somebody directly, meaning you can get all of your questions asked and you don't really have to wait. Benefit number 4 is affordable pricing. So this comes with a bit of a caveat. You could potentially save money if you decide not to go with a GoDaddy Pro and figure out everything on your own. However, the amount of time you will spend researching how to do everything will increase tenfold. Hiring an external contractor does come with a price, but when it comes to hiring a GoDaddy Pro whose expertise is in WordPress, you will save an infinite amount of time. And at the end, you will have a much better final product. All right, so in conclusion, your website is the first impression you will give to potential customers. So it is in your best interest as a business owner to kill them from the get-go and make sure that you put your best foot forward in the form of a website. So if you are interested in hiring a GoDaddy Pro, make sure to reach out to the Seahawk team and we will see how we can make some magic together. Thanks so much for watching.